hair. Okay. Okay. Hold, you know. Okay. What's up? Sugar. Okay, very a little bit. That's neat. Okay. Put turn coffee on. Okay. Mình get that. Smell, oh my god. Smell good, guys. Smell good. You can see it. For this ice cream, I believe it's good for hair, customer, it's made from hair and it's okay. So we got a full ingredient and we put more water. And the thing is for the so we cook with pot with hot water and and something like to everything is with hot water 100%. So I believe it's clean enough and it smells good. It smells like a food from theater. One theater that I know. I'm the kind of person who like to have stories in trouble. Just kidding. Smell good. Okay, let's wait for it. It's cold. We're going to make an ice cream from nut. It's something like test on nut. It's a lemon. I don't know how to call it in English. It's lemon. You just put with salt and you put on the sunlight and take a long time and you get it done right. I love to eat this ice cream. It's bad for one thing. Mani muối phe mồi, mình được cha phe mồi. I had an ear in one head.